The agriculture sector in eastern Visayas also bore the brunt of Yolanda's fury. Initial damage to crops is placed at about 9 billion pesos. Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala says the government is ready to help farmers recover from the disaster. The details from Freddy Abando.
The Department of Agriculture will mobilize its resources to boost recovery efforts for areas devastated by Yolanda's impact. Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala bared sufficient funding of the recovery to help farmers. Alcala said the Bayanihan spirit will inspire them to overcome the trials they face brought by the tempest.
We should be prepared dun sa mga ganito pong pangyayari. And the only way to be prepared is talaga pong magsayos tayo ng mga programa. And ang unang-una po na tinatamaan ng ganitong mga sakuna ay ang agrikultura po. So kaya siguro po ang pinakamaganda ay yung pong mga programang ating isinusulong para sa pag-a-adapt po or pagiging matatag at paglaban po sa climate change ang ating pong patuloy na bibigyan ng special na tutok sa ating pong mga programa sa bawat programs at special projects po na isinasagawa sa bawat rehiyon.
Initially, the impact amounted to almost 9 billion pesos, a number that could rise in the next few weeks. Rice production losses were significant in the Panay provinces, especially Iloilo and Capiz. The coconut-producing provinces of Leyte and Eastern Samar suffered a heavy blow since 1.5 million trees were affected. So would fishing, since many coastal communities in these two provinces were also devastated. Poultry was badly hit in Bantayan Island in Cebu. Despite this, Alcala is confident the country's food supply is sufficient for the rest of the year. Alcala said the great challenge is to feed the massive number of victims as they recover and restore normalcy to their lives. Alcala expressed grief over the death of 4 victims of the typhoon who died when they entered one of the NFA's warehouses in Tacloban.
Malaki pong papel ang kailangang gampanan ng agrikultura para sa mga nasira po nating kababayan. Sana po wag nating isipin na sila lang ang may problema. Even yung mga rehiyon sa katabi po nito, magkakaroon po ng disruption ng food chain. So, we need every help that we can get para po mahatugunan po natin ang ganitong situation.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.